Welcome back to the podcast. There's a moment after every move, and suddenly everything changes. The boxes are unpacked, the noise fades, and you realize you've arrived. You've really arrived. If you've moved to Salamanca, that realization usually comes in quietly. It could be during an early morning walk when the sunlight warms the sandstone and the square just begins to stir, or in the evening when you're sitting at a cafe as musicians play softly nearby. You start to feel something new. It's a sense of ease because life here moves differently. It's walkable, conversational, filled with warmth. You feel connected to the city, its people, and its rhythm. Now, behind that peaceful beginning is structure, a carefully managed relocation. SDC International Shipping coordinates everything. We're going to coordinate your packing, your freight, your customs, and even your final delivery to your home. And that professionalism is going to free you up to explore, adjust, enjoy. When logistics are handled with care, the emotional part of moving feels lighter. You have space to live, breathe, and build new routines in a city that shines with history and heart. If you're ready to turn your dream into reality, we're here to guide the way. Visit our website, or even better, give us a call and talk to us directly at 844-651-7050.